Hello, Kenda friends, and today we have an exciting topic to discuss: the best aesthetic filter photo apps for Android. We all love capturing and sharing beautiful moments, and these apps will help you enhance the aesthetic appeal of your photos. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. Lomograph. Lomograph is an app that offers photo filters inspired by the effects produced by Lomo cameras. By using this app, users can achieve photos with a distinct aesthetic. The resulting images emulate the look of vintage analog camera shots with vibrant colors and high contrast. Lomograph also provides other features such as double exposure composition and options to adjust brightness, saturation, and contrast levels for optimal results. Ton Filters. Ton Filters Photo is a photo filter app that offers a variety of tonal adjustment effects. This app enables users to add an artistic touch to their photos by altering the color, appearance, and mood of the images. With a range of filters available, including black and white, vintage, and classic filters, users can easily customize the intensity according to their preferences. This app allows users to produce unique and visually appealing photos. Teal and Orange. Teal and Orange Filter is a specialized app designed to infuse the teal and orange aesthetic into photos. This color style, commonly seen in the film and photography industry, helps create strong contrasts and attractive color tones. This app enables users to transform their photos into a cinematic look by accentuating the blue and orange hues. Additionally, the app offers various editing options to allow users to customize the teal and orange effects according to their personal preferences. Through this app, users can effortlessly create unique and visually captivating photos with a distinct aesthetic touch. And that concludes our discussion on the best aesthetic filter photo apps for Android. Don't forget to try them out and let us know your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep capturing those beautiful moments and stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel.